Hello Earth, hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to May's Tarot Healing. And this reading is another reading for our dear Zodiacs, and this is for you, my lovely Capricorn. So Capricorn, what we have here. So nakikita ko na yung message na kailangan nyo marinig, Capricorn, is about your financial. There is unexpected blessing that might come. Just take whatever that resonates, okay? So, nakikita ko dito, for some of you guys, kailangan nyo mag-focus at maging i-manage ng maayos yung money nyo. Especially sa may mga business dyan na Capricorn natin. And also, please expect unexpected someone na pwedeng manghiram sa inyo or magbayad ng utang. Alright, so ayun lamang ang akin nakikita dito. And one thing is for sure as well, sa mga may business dyan, sa mga nag-aantay ng trabaho, there is a job coming or